The major problem we are working from is from some of the high ceilings and high spaces we have, and just to try to keep the sound in those areas.
Putting the product in enabled us to enjoy that space and for other people in other spaces to be doing what they wanted to be doing. My favorite room that we put the planks in is in the master bath.
You notice how the sound is different in there. We talk and it's more conversational. Mm-hmm. The sound's not bouncing all around the place.
Mm-hmm. And it's beautiful. It only added to the room.
The natural look of it really fits into a house.
But it has a hidden benefit. When we're in the room, it holds the sound there.
I think in the kitchen, it's such a beautiful product up there. It fits in so well, but being up there and cooking and then not maybe hearing sound transfer up to the second floor, I think I love it in every space that we have it.